Alright guys, so we're going to look at Friday, April 24th. Nice work this week, guys. You've been doing a really nice job summarizing those articles. Now we're already at Friday. That's awesome. So let's take a look. Our objective is I can set goals for my project by studying the sample project. Next Monday we'll move into creating your slides, but we're going to take one more look at that sample project to make sure you understand what we're looking for, and you can move next week into your own project. Alright? So directions, number 1, watch a screencast. Good job! You are doing that right now. And then fill out the reflection. Alright? Awesome. So your sample project is linked here if you need it, right? I'm going to open up my project reflection. So here's what it looks like. Remember, you will have to make a copy and share this. Let's take a look at the directions together. So next week you will be making your own project. Please take a moment to reflect on how the sample project was successful, and you notice it's linked there. This will help you create a successful project next week. Answer the questions below in complete sentences. There's a box of sentence stems at the bottom that might be helpful. So down here are some sentence stems to help you get going if you're not sure. There are 4 questions you will answer in complete sentences. So I'm going to go back to the sample project. I may need to click through, right? I may need to look at it one more time. It's been a couple days. My first one is, what did you like about the sample project? What was good for you? What worked as the audience? How did the sample project present information? Remember, we saw different ways in there. It wasn't just one. They had a couple of different graphics. They had a couple of different pictures, that kind of thing. How could the sample project have done better? Could they have added more, right? Was there more information you wanted? Could they have presented it differently, right? There's a couple of different ways you can think about that. And then number 4, what will you do on your own project to make it successful? So what are things that you saw here that you really loved, or that you would add that you can put on your own project? Alright? Again, down here, there's a box of sentence stems to help you if you get stuck. Those can get you started. If you need help on this, please let me or Mrs. S or Ms. Longboy know, and we'll be happy to help you. And please make sure you share this with me so I can give you credit for this, and we will use this to get started next week. Thanks, guys.